Hello everyone, today we're going to the set 3 sound. Air, 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 air. Here are some words with the sound air. Sh, air, share, but, air, bear, sk, air, scare. Here is the picture card. Here's a family having a picnic and they are sharing all their food. They like to care and share. Care and share. Care and share. Care and share. When you see this side, you say air. 3 letters, 1 sound. Air. When you see this side, you say air. When you see this side, you say care and share. Are you ready? Whoop. Did you get them all? Fantastic. Now we're going to play a bit of a game of hide and seek and pop the sound into these ones. And when you see this one, you're going to sparkle. Are you ready? Are you steady? Here we go. Well done. Super. Fantastic. Here we go. Now, here are some green words with the sound air. Are you ready? Special friend, Fred talk, read the word. Special friend, air. Special friend, shh. 2 special friends, shh, air, share. Your turn. Special friend, Fred talk, read the word. Dare. Special friend, air. Fred talk, air, dare. Special friend, Fred talk, read the word. Special friend, air. Fred talk, but, air, bear. Special friend, special friends. Fred talk, read the word. Special friends, qua and air. Fred talk, air, square. Special friend, Fred talk, read the word. Special friend, air. Fred talk, air, scare. Special friend, Fred talk, say the word. Special friend, air. Fred talk, air, care. Fantastic. Now, here are some words that you've read before. And this one is secret Fred talking. So it's secret special friends and secret Fred talk in your head and say the word. Are you ready? Here we go. Special friend, Fred talk. Read the word, make. Are you ready? I'm going to pop that one back in there. See if you can do it. Are you ready? Here we go. Hide. Clean. Note. date, smile, please, make, late, hope. Are you ready to do some speedy reading with these words? Are you ready? Are you steady? Here we go. Late, make, please, smile, date, note, clean, hide, hope. Are you ready to do it a second time? Are you ready to be faster than the last? Are you ready? Here we go. Date, smile, late, please, make, hope, hide, clean, note. Fantastic. Give yourself a fantastic. Well done. It's that time. It's alien words. Are you ready, study? Remember, special friend, Fred talk, read the word. Special friend, Fred talk, read the word. Special friend, air. Special friend, Fred talk, read the word. Special friend, ooh. Special friend, Fred talk, read the word. Special friend, air. Special friend, Fred talk, read the word. Special friend, oh. Special friend, Fred talk, read the word. Special friend, E. Special friend, Fred talk, read the word. Special friend, air. Well done for spotting all the special friends and Fred talking. It's spellings time and you need something to write on and something to write with. Pause the video if you need to get yourself organised. Here we go. And remember, our sound of the day was air. This is our sound that we're going to use today for our spellings. Air. Here we go. Are you ready? The word is care. You ready? 2 fingers, 2 sounds. Air. Air. Now we're on set 3. We can use our sounds. K, air. We can also use letter names. C-A-R-E. C-A-R-E. Write it down. Pause the video if you need more time. Here we go. Air. 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 C-A-R-E. Tick or fix. Well done. Right, our second word is share. Oh, this is a bit of an interesting one. Share. 2 fingers, 2 sounds, 2 special friends. Sh, air. Sh, air. And again, we can use our letter names. S-H-A-R-E. S-H-A-R-E. Write it down. Pause the video if you need more time. Here we go. S-H-A-R-E. Sh, air, sh. 2 ticks, 1 for each sound. Sh, air. Well done. Right, are you ready for the next one? We've got, oh, here we go. scare, scare. Ready? 3 fingers, 3 sounds. Air, air. We can use our letter names. S-C-A-R-E. S-C-A-R-E. Write it down. Pause the video if you need more time. Here we go. S-C-A-R-E. Air. Tick or fix. And the last one we're going to do, are you ready? Let's see if you can get this one. It's a 4-sided shape. The word is square. Square. Are you ready? 3 fingers, 3 sounds. Air. Air. This one's got 2 special friends. S-Q-U-A-R-E. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Write it down. Pause the video if you need a little bit more time. S-Q-U-A. Tick or fix. Well done. Today you've learnt the sound air. Well done everybody. Join us for another sound next time.